Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my DreamView channel. Now I am going to tell you about Haier 195 liters direct cool single door 4-star refrigerator. First I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 195 liters, good for couples and small families. Compressor type reciprocatory, which is standard type of compressor with easy maintenance. Performance 4-star for energy saving up to 45%. Defrosting type direct cool, which is economical, consumes less electricity and requires manual defrosting. Addition to that, base stand with drawer for storing items that doesn't need cooling, example onion, potato, etc. Specifications. Generally in the box we get 1 refrigerator, 2 ice tray, user manual, warranty card and key. Type single door refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator. Defrosting type direct cool. Capacity 195 liters. Number of doors 1. Power consumption 151 watts. Warranty 1 year on product and 9 years on compressor. Cost price 14,200 rupees only. To get more videos, please do subscribe to our DreamView channel. Please like, share and comment below, and to purchase this refrigerator, please hit the link in the below description. Thank you. Bye bye.